guys, it's Annalise and today I'm going to be doing another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect clicky slime. So, let's get started. So, you will want to have a mixing bowl and a mixing utensil.
It still has a little bit of slime left over from that, so don't mind that. Oh, it's so slimy. I'm going to take that out. I'm just going to leave for a second. Add it to this little baby slime. Okay, and so the first thing that you want to do is you're going to want to add
1 bottle or 2 bottles of how much you desire of Elmer's glue.
I'm going to be making just a small batch. I'm only going to be using 1. And then you're going to want to grab whatever color
Slime you want to make. Today I'm going to be making some orange. So I'm just going to add this to the bowl. Oops, I forgot to shake it. Going to pour it in. That was a lot. And then I'm just going to stir it.
So I like the color. I'm going to put a little bit too much. It's a little bit too bright orange, so I'm going to be adding a little bit of white paint. That's okay, honey. Let me go.
Let's just stir the white and the orange paint. My 1 cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon of borax mixture. I'm going to be adding it 2 teaspoons at a time. Is it clicky? It's really clicky. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that. And it's really cool slime, so I really recommend this. And the great thing is, all you need is glue and borax. I'm not sure if you could use contact lens solution. You guys can try that out. Sorry about the glue. But yeah, so this is really amazing slime. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe. Once I get 10 subscribers, then I'm going to do something crazy. Yay. Bye.